Test, test, test. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, this thing on. All right, all right. Make sure the lens is clean. All right, so what I'm attempting to do here is give you guys a weekly rundown, okay? I mean, this week was a pretty exciting week for me. I don't know about for you, but for Handy Danny, I had a lot of fun. I want to do this weekly. I want to do this at least bi-weekly. Hopefully I can keep up the same energy. Do a recap. I want to read some of these comments that I received this week. This can get me fired. It was clout words. I was doing this for clout. Honestly, it's like, and the crazy thing is, here's the crazy thing. I was saying to myself, why does anybody upload anything to the internet? They want recognition. They want to be seen, apparently. So therefore, there was a little bit of a fabrication within this video. It was a situation of something that's true. It can get you fired. So if you receive it as a parody, and it's just fun. You know, you guys are the circus, I'm the clown, or you're the clown and I'm the circus. However we want to establish this relationship that we have here, I need you guys as a community to keep commenting. Parody scaffolding is easier on the feet and ladder. Listen, man, the painters are one of my worst enemies at a job site. Me and the painters, me and the furniture guys do not get along, okay? Like, we have beef with each other all the time. This one right here was really popular. Like, it got like 18 replies, and I'm sure a few of them are from me. However, this guy says, hey, turn the ladder sideways. You know, honestly, it's funny. To be honest, I actually tried that today. Throughout all of our fun and games and us, you know, just acting goofy here on YouTube, it's really a situation to where you really might learn something. And actually, I did learn something. I did learn to turn that ladder, and it was a little bit easier. But when it comes to that little parody scaffolding, I don't even like painters, bro. So no, I'm not going to get that scaffolding. It's just going to be too much of a hassle to get it in the building, get it out the building. Here's where a fella said, I'm glad my boomer dad taught me common sense. I mean, are you trying to say that Handy Danny doesn't have common sense? And then you followed it up with the whole measure twice, cut once cliche little saying. I mean, come on, bro. Like, I'm so tired of hearing that. The world of construction, like, golly, like, it's just so annoying to just constantly hear that. That will literally never get you fired. You're lying. Honestly, I'm not lying. Actually, I seen a ladder today, and the ladder today that I was looking at, it right at the very top step, it said suspension. If you cross that step, or if you step on that step, you can get fired. You can get kicked off of a job site. It is a very heavy safety concern in regards to being on a ladder that way. Most falls, most injuries come from stupidity. It's kind of like a little bit of a parody. Like I said, don't be out here on the ladder the wrong way. I talked to a firefighter once before, and he said, man, give me some suggestions on safety on a ladder. What's the safest thing I could do on a ladder? You know what he told me? Don't get on the ladder. I hope the boss isn't on YouTube. Honestly, the joke's kind of on you guys, because I am the boss. I work for myself. So that's where I was able to make this video and have so much fun with it. Now, what I wanted to also do is I wanted to go over here and I wanted to bounce into a little bit of screenshots, and I wanted to talk about like the analytics, man, because like I said, you guys are a community, and I turned on this community tab. It's on my page. If you're looking at it on the web, or if you're looking at it on your phone, definitely put something in my community page, because I definitely want to play into that arena in regards to different things, whatever YouTube has to offer. I want to do that with you guys. I think that'd just be fun. Here's a screenshot. It's like 124,000 views this week. Anytime I look at my analytics, is real time. Within 48 hours, we together have gotten 81,000, or a little over, almost 82,000 views in the past 48 hours. That's phenomenal. Keep it up, man. I'm gonna keep making the videos. You guys are the clowns. I am the circus. Or I'm the circus and you're the clowns. We all have a role to play here. We all have a part to play. We have 860 hours of watch time. Phenomenal. That really helps the channel. I want to say thank you. And also, I wanted to mention that there's a little thanks button on my channel. on my videos. If you hit that thanks button, we'll get your comment pushed to the top, and I'll be able to see your comment when you hit that little thanks button. Like I said, I want to do a little bit of a recap. You know, there's a lot of comments, and I know there's a lot of comments that I didn't get to, but like I said, that little thanks button will get your comment pushed. So when I do this weekly recap, and these will get better, I promise you, these will get better as we go. All right. This is the first time that I've done this or anything like this on my channel. Thank you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.